everyone, I just wanted to pop on here to unbox the Presenter's Kit with you. And I do apologize, I don't have any makeup on, just skincare, but shows how well our makeup works because look at me. Alright, this big box is what you get with the Presenter's Kit. The Presenter's Kit this month is 119 Canadian. It is 99 US, and this month our presenter kit is also free shipping, and you get all of this stuff for just 119. First thing, it's mostly paperwork and probably the catalog. I'll open that in a minute. And this is all you get for 119 free shipping. Presenter's Kit. Oh. All right. Royalty skincare samples. It is a sample of all of it. The detoxifying mask, purifying cleanser, instant lifting serum, day serum with SPF, moisturizing boosting cleanser, hydrating day cream with SPF, our Divine daily moisturizer, our night cream, and our Uplift beauty serum. And how cute is this? It says inside the box right here, this says, "Hello beautiful, welcome to the Younique family." And this is the kit it all comes in. It's a lot of stuff. Look at all the goodies. So, again, for 119 Canadian free shipping and $99 US, you get all this stuff. You get this little tiny trunk thing, which is this. And you get the samples of the entire Royalty skincare line. You get this, which I'll open in a minute. I believe this is the charm and the catalog. You get shine wipes. Look at how sexy these are. Look at that. New packaging, as fine as wine. And these smell amazing. They're not all stinky. And of course, lashes. Who doesn't want to try the lashes? If you haven't tried these bad boys yet, what you waiting for? Because you need to try them. You need them in your life. Unless you have kind of long eyelashes and you already wear glasses, then they might just get too long. Lip balm. It's red velvet cake. Apparently I couldn't read there for a minute. You get cream shadow brush. You get a splash liquid lipstick. You get the angled shadow and sponge brush, again for the cream shadow. Oh, and you get your white charm and your little charm keychain. You get a cream shadow. These are pretty big. They're pretty good size. This one's extravagant, so it's a nice brownie gold color. And you get a full sample of our Stiff Upper Lip stain, Lip stain is amazing. I love it. If you aren't much into lipsticks, if you don't like the cakey feel of a lipstick, if you don't like eating a burger and getting lipstick all over your burger and possibly on your face, lip stain is for you. I've put on lip stain before a vendor event, before I went out. I've eaten and drank everything and it has not budged. And you get a little card because sometimes during the shipping process, depending on the times of the year, it can be pretty warm and they don't want you to open up your stuff right away. And then you get a palette of your choice. I got palette number 4. And you get a full sample kit of our lip gloss. So you get to sample all of the lip gloss. You get to sample all of the lip stain. You get a liquid lipstick. You get cream shadow brushes. You get cream shadow. You get an eye palette of your choice. You get lashes. You get a lip bonbon. You get our amazing shine wipes. And you get full sample of our Royalty skincare line. And you get this amazing little makeup trunk bag thing. I love our tissue paper. Love it. But this is the little container it comes in. It says Younique on it. It's a good little size. Opens up so that everything comes in. And it just has a little latchy thing. I still use mine. It's great for, I use it to store my loose mineral pigment. Works really well for that, I find. But this is all you get in your kit for $119 Canadian, $99 US, and you get all this for only $119. Let's see what's in here. And like I said, free shipping till the end of November. So it's a great time to grab yourself a kit. Great value. Like, you would pay way more for all this stuff individually. You get lots and lots of stuff. Plus, it's the only way you can't buy the little makeup trunk. And you get welcome and congratulations. You get 25% off your business cards. Vistaprint is awesome. And you get, in the kit as well, you get a sample of the bronzers. Goes from light, medium to dark. Sunset, Malibu, and Hermosa. You get samples of our blush. And it even has a little how-to. That's super awesome. And you get the little samplers. Oh, this is awesome too. You get 4 samples of the mineral pigment, and then it shows you all the other colors, and then it gives you a cool little how-to. My favorite color in this is Regal. It's a very nice purple. And your presenter's guide. It's a little booklet with all the information that you need to know. And you get a sample of all the liquid foundation colors. Goes from Scarlet to Cypress. Very wide range of colors. And it comes with our new catalog. And our catalog just has all of our stuff in it. And the catalog is in US dollars and Canadian dollars. But again, I will recap everything that you got. In this little envelope contained catalog, foundation samples, presenter's guide, sampler pack of mineral eye pigment, a sample pack and diagram of the blush, sample of our bronzer, 25 off business cards from Vistaprint, and that was all that was in this container. And the kit again is $119 Canadian and $99 US, and that what was in that little purple pouch. And now I'm going to show you all the makeup that was in the bag. So again, all comes in this. Comes in here. Ow. And you get a full sampler of all the Royal skincare products. Excuse me. You get an angled and a regular cream shadow brush. And then of course you get cream shadow. You get a palette of your choice. It's palette number 4. You get a sample of the lip stain and the lip gloss. You get a lip bonbon. You get a liquid lipstick. You of course get your white charm. You get 3D Fiber lashes. And our new Sexy Shine wipes. I love the new packaging. It's so fancy. And these smell absolutely amazing. So that's it, folks. You get all of that for just $119 Canadian or $99 US. That's a great bang for your buck. You also, like I said, it's free shipping till the end of November. So it's a fabulous time to snag yourself a kit. You can just get the kit because you love the products and get a discount here on out for yourself. Or it's an awesome deal and a great opportunity to start a great little small business. Younique is a great company. Like I said, it even greets you in the box. Hello, beautiful. Welcome to the Younique family. How friggin' cute is that? Plus, you get $30 product cash for your birthday. I just got mine yesterday. It's great. So that's all I wanted to do. I wanted to pop on here and show you how great of a deal the presenter's kit really is. It's fabulous. And it's definitely worth every penny. So I hope everybody is having a fantastic day. And that's it. See you later.